Imagine this, you walk into an interview confident that your resume is very solid. But as you sit down, you can tell the interview isn't impressed. Why? Because your projects look just like everyone else. But what if you had a project so unique, so powerful, that they made your resume impossible to ignore? Projects that show you are not just another candidate, but someone who thinks outside the box. Today, I am going to share total 5 project ideas that can give you an edge in your job hunt. These aren't just any projects, these are the kinds that make interviewers lean in and say, "Tell me more." And trust me, you will want to stick around for the last one because it could change the way you approach your career. First up, the AI powered personal assistant. We are not talking about a basic chatbot here. This is an assistant that learns from your habits, predicts your needs, and automates your daily tasks. Imagine having something that knows what you need before you do. This isn't just about showing off your coding skills, it's about demonstrating your understanding of machine learning, natural language processing, and user experience design. Now, here is the kicker. If you are interested in building something like this, I have got a whole series on my channel where I am creating my own AI assistant inspired by the Jarvis from the movies. You can check it out in the I button or in the description below. But stick with me first because these next projects are just as a game changer. Next is the blockchain based voting system. With all the concerns about election security, this project is relevant than ever. Imagine creating a system that makes voting transparent, secure, and trustworthy. It's a project that not only showcases your coding skills but also highlights your ability to solve real world problems. If this project excites you, then let me know in the comments. I am thinking of doing a full tutorial breaking down the steps to create your own blockchain voting system. But for now, let's keep going because the next project is a real eye opener. Third on the list, a real-time data analytics dashboard. Companies today live and die by data, but not everyone has the tools to use it effectively. This project will show you how to process, analyze, and visualize data in the real time, giving the businesses the insights they need to stay ahead. Plus, it's a perfect way to demonstrate your skills in the full stack development. If you are interested in diving deeper into data analytics, comment me below with the data or any question you have. Your feedback helps me decide what tutorials to create next. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Now, let's talk about something futuristic, an augmented reality shopping experience. Picture this. You can try on clothes, see how furniture looks in your home, or explore a product in a 3D, all without leaving your couch. This project isn't just about coding, it's about creating immersive experiences that blend the digital and physical worlds. Companies are always on the lookout for the developers who can work with emerging technologies like AR, and this project will make you stand out. If AR gets you excited, let me know. I am here to help you turn these ideas into the reality. But I need to know what interests you most. Drop a comment with AR or any thought you have, and we will make something amazing together. Finally, the smart IoT home security system. With the rise of smart homes, security is more important than ever. This project connects smart locks, cameras, sensors, and alarms into one intelligent network, giving a homeowners a peace of mind. This isn't just a project, it's a demonstration of how you can integrate the technology to solve real world problems. If you want a tutorial on how to create this system, just type security in the comments. I am listening to you and I want to help you build something that matters. So, there you have it. 5 projects that aren't just impressive but can actually get you hired. These aren't just about coding, they are about solving problems, creating experiences, and making an impact. But before you go, I have got you 2 more videos you need to check out if you are serious about leveling up your tech game. First up, if the idea of building an AI assistant like Jarvis excites you, you need to watch my video how to build your own Jarvis personal assistant. It's a path with practical steps to get you started, and trust me, once you see how it's done, you will be. And don't forget, if you are looking to boost your skills for free, check out the free Google courses with the free certificates. These are the kinds of certifications that can really make your resume stand out, and they won't cost you anything. These videos are right here on the end screen. So go ahead, click one and dive deeper into these game changing projects. Your DM job is closer than you think. So let's make it happen together.